Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. Today in this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can allow mentions from everyone on TikTok. So let's get started. Firstly, open TikTok app in your device. Then tap on your profile icon if you haven't. Next tap on three lines icon. After that, tap on settings and privacy. Next tap on privacy. Then tap on mentions. Next you can see the option of allow mentions from. Tap on it. Then you can see the option of everyone. Tap on it. So this is how you can allow mentions from everyone on TikTok. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we would love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day, so do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update.